Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
Fast, 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 and slow.
Waffle was still banned from going anywhere near our school, so my lovely Gramps was often left to cheer him up.
There we go.
Good morning, Derek. I might have known it'd be you two making all that racket. Who else would it have been?
Hello, Mrs. Hobbs. I was just cheering Waffle up. He got into a spot of trouble again at school.
Well, that's because he likes trouble, don't you, Waffle? Not like the dog I'm doggy day caring today.
Huh? Really? What dog is it you're looking after then?
Jelly. She's such a well-behaved dog.
Jelly bad dog.
Ignore Waffle, Jelly-belly doggy. Good day, Derek. And good luck with Waffle.
Thanks, Mrs. Hobbs, and good luck with... Jelly. Come on then, Waffle. So, I thought we could plant some flowers in the back garden for the rest of the day, eh? We could do some muddy digging and you could get really messy with me. What do you say?
No, Gramps.
Oh, all right then. Well, what would you like to do before Evie and Doug get back?
Upstairs.
Upstairs it is. Come on then. Whatever do you want to do up here in Evie's room? Oh, no. You can't laze on the bed today, Waffle. What? Book? Oh, you want to read a book, do you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Waffle. I wasn't expecting that. All right, budge up. Let's read a book. Come on, then. So.
Cat.
But. Yeah.
Dog.
It's almost like you're trying to read.
Yeah, read. Read.
Yeah, but you're a dog, Waffle. I know you can talk, but dogs can't read.
Read. Please.
Well, I never. You really do want to learn how to read, don't you? Well, I'm not sure if it's even possible, but all right, let's give it a go. I, Derek Bell, am about to teach you, Waffle, a dog, no, a wonder dog, how to read. Come on, to the garden. Reading is best done in the daylight.
Oh, I love you, Gramps.
All right, Waffle. Now look, this is the letter D, and it makes the sound D. D is for duck. D is for dinosaur. D is for daisy.
Duh.
That's it. And the action to help you remember the letter D is this. Like you're drumming. D, 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 D. Fantastic. And now, I have hidden an object that starts with the letter D somewhere in the garden. And so, let us go on a D hunt. Come on. Come on. Where's the D? Hey, something that starts with the sound D. Well, that isn't it. Come on. Something else. Something that starts... Oh, you're getting very warm. That's fantastic. Yes. Waffle, what have you got? You found the duck. Way! Brilliant. Marvellous. And look, Waffle. Daisies. And look, Waffle.
Daisy.
It's a dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Way!
Derek? Waffle? Is that you? Please stop that terrible din.
Come here. Come on, down and peek through next door. Oh, Jelly.
Bad Jelly.
Go back, Jelly.
Oh, it is you, Derek. And that delinquent dog.
Dog.
Hello again, Mrs. Hobbs.
suppose you're nosing into my garden to see how a good dog like Jelly behaves. Jelly?
No.
Remember, at Mrs. Hobbsy Bobbsy's house, you stay nicely on your lead. We're always well-behaved and a good doggy in this garden, the very opposite of that rascal of a dog next door.
Oh, no, Mrs. Hobbs. Waffle's far too busy today to be a rascal because Waffle, and you're not going to believe it, Waffle the Wonderdog is learning how to read.
What?
Read!
You're going doggy daft, Derek. Waffle is an unusual dog, but he's not clever enough to read. Come along, Jelly. And can you please keep the noise down?
Yeah. Sorry, Mrs. Hobbs. Sorry. Whoopsie, Waffle. Hey, perhaps we ought to carry on learning your letter sounds inside. Come on. All right, Waffle. You've learned the sound duh. Yeah. Duh, 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 duh. And the o sound. Mm-hmm. O, n, o, f. Now, are you ready for the g sound? Ready. Steady? Go. Great. All right then. Waffle. Say my name.
Gramps.
That's it. Gramps.
Gramps.
Now, the big finale. What word do we get if we put all those three sounds together? Come on. Look, say those three sounds one after the other. Read them for Gramps. Here.
D-O-G. D-O-G. Dog.
Yeah, Waffle. You just read your first word, dog. Oh, who's a clever dog? Well, it's you. You really are a remarkably clever dog. Hey, Waffle. Waffle, I've just had a really good idea.
Hey, Gramps. Hey, Waffle.
Hey, look who it is.
Evie, Doug, Dad. Hello. Hi, Ruby.
Oh, and Ruby's come to join us for tea. Hello.
Fantastic. The more the merrier for a very good idea I've had. Waffle's garden performance.
Oh, yeah. Right, come on then.
Come on, help me get it all set up.
So what's he going to do then?
It's a very special occasion, so take your seats. Come here, pop yourself down there. Anyway, you like really. We're just waiting for our final audience member to arrive.
Good afternoon, Brooklyn Bells.
And here she is.
Thanks for inviting me, although I definitely won't enjoy it. So I'm staying on this side of the fence. Jelly, not through that hole. Stay in my garden today with Jelly.
Has Jelly been good, Mrs. Hobbs?
Oh, yes, Ruby, she's such a good dog for me. Quiet, calm, good, obedient.
Right, what I want to do, I want to bring you all up to date on the latest incredible accomplishment by Waffle the Wonderdog.
Oh, do get on with it, Derek.
So without further ado, let me bring you the star of the show.
As we all waited for Waffle's garden performance, we didn't notice that Jelly wanted to come into our garden to watch Waffle too.
Right. Waffle has been working very hard today and he would like to show you what he's learnt to do. Ooh. Now, can you see all right from over there, Mrs. Hobbs?
Yes, Derek. Hurry up. Jelly! No! Come back! Jelly!
D-O-G. Dog.
Oh, it is a dog! Jelly, come here.
You can read a word in Evie's book.
Oh, well done, Waffle.
Waffle, read.
Oh, I'm so proud of you, Waffle.
You're learning to read just like me.
Yes. I'm
I'm
sure Jelly could read much better than that if she tried. She's so smart and good and clever and... Oh, Jelly! Oh, hold on! Jess, Jelly's in your garden! Oh, Jelly, what are you doing in there? Jelly! Come back here now!
Bad.
Jelly!
D-O-G. Dog.
Jelly!
Mrs. Hobbs.
Are you okay, Ruby, ask your mother if Jelly can find a different doggy day carer from now on.
Sure, Mrs. Hobbs.
Come along, George.
That's That's it, that's it. Pop yourselves down, pop yourselves down.
Right.
Are we all sitting comfortably?
Yes.
Then, we'll begin. Come here. Oi, Waffle, come here, you.
Okay.
Now then, once upon a time, there was a very brave little...
Dog.
and she was called...
Dig.
Now, Dig was still a young puppy, but she dreamed of one day being a...
Dog.
Nearly, Waffle. She dreamed of one day being a hero.
Oh.
Oh, you'll always be our hero, Waffle.
Ah, happily ever after, hero.
Yeah, that's right. Good old Waffle.
Lovely. And that was the tale of how Waffle started to read and became a story star. As you will see.
Everybody!
Waffle,